International Marketing Group has remained true to its mission of delivering families to financial freedom, providing knowledge that helps Filipinos in building a solid financial foundation and dedicating a noble crusade that will improve the lives of many, not just here in the Philippines, but worldwide. Anchored to its financial literacy campaign, IMG perseveres to educate 30 million Filipinos around the globe by the year 2030 and lead them towards a financially successful life. Its concept that financial education is not just for the wealthy, but for everyone, has successfully brought financial independence to thousands of families, showing the prevailing mindset to become successful in life.